But inside, in my heart, I felt that I do something. That idea about IA voice was somehow don't want to fit in my belief system. And I spoke with I asked my galactic family guides, is it right to do? And the answer was no, very clear no. I told them why? Because they say if I use IA, I will hide myself, I will lose my uniqueness. That our voice, it's very unique and is one of a kind. No, they said my voice is only one on the whole universe, and it has its own unique vibrations, which fits in the tapestry of God's creation. There is reason why I have this kind of voice, why I speak the way I speak. This is my uniqueness, this is my treasure, this is my gift from God. And they said you don't need, it's your choice to use that voice. My voice somehow and of course your voice too. If I speak about myself, it's for you too, this information. When I speak, my voice vibrates some kind of energies, and it reaches, my voice energy will be recognized by other energies, because everything is energy. And they said that IA, it's not the way for me to go. They meant that if I go IA, it means I deny myself. I deny my gifts. I thought, okay. What they told me, my galactic family, my guides, they said, do whatever you want, but in public supposed to be your voice.